Hi, this is Neil Vanderwall with Light Emitting Designs. We're an American LED company specializing in industrial, food processing, and hazardous area lighting. Today, I'd like to introduce our SML Series linear utility light. The SML Series is a robust, high-efficacy linear light designed for applications that require a high lumen output with a minimal footprint. It's a cost-effective luminaire, providing great energy savings with a short ROI period. The SML is available in 12, 24, and 38 watt variations and provides comfortable uniform lighting for the following applications: offices, educational facilities, hospitals, convenience stores and retail, manufacturing plants and warehouses, parking structures, car bays, and many others. The patented passive air cooling system ensures low LED junction temperatures for a long fixture lifespan with virtually zero maintenance required. The SML is designed and engineered in the USA with an industry-leading 5-year warranty. Now, let's take a closer look. The SML series uses a proprietary reflector and diffuser lens in order to provide 240-degree comfortable uniform lighting. This prevents areas of your workspace from being either overlit or underlit and reduces the zebra effect. It uses a patented passive air cooling system to enable low junction temperatures for a maintenance-free, long fixture lifespan. The SML series has a built-in, accessible junction box for easy wiring and quick, cost-effective installation. Lightweight aluminum construction and an innovative mounting system make the SML easy to install for just one operator. The driver is compatible with the universal voltage range and can come with any AC power plug or open wires as per request. It has built-in protection from over-temperature, over-voltage, and over-current for safe use in unstable power grids. The SML series, with its high lumen output, glare-free uniform lighting, low cost, and easy installation, is an ideal fit for a wide range of applications. For more information about the SML series and other LED lights, please visit our website at www.lightemittingdesigns.com.